Hi guys, this is Aarti and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video we will be talking about binary operators. Previous video में हमने देखा था कि यूनरी ऑपरेटर्स क्या होते हैं, कौन कौन से टाइप्स है, लाइक increment, decrement, size of unary minus and address of operators. We understood all these unary operators with example. Okay, but in this video we will talk about binary operators. जैसे ही यूनरी ऑपरेटर्स एक ही वेरिएबल या एक ही ऑपरेंड के साथ एप्लीकेबल होता है, सेम एज बाइनरी जो ऑपरेटर्स है वो टू ऑपरेंड्स के साथ वर्क करेगा. लेट अस सी दैट इफ आई राइट a plus b. Okay, so here a and b are the operands and these are the two operands and plus is operator, so this plus is called the binary operator. If I write a is greater than b, so here these are a and b are the operands and greater than is a symbol which is called the binary operators. Okay, so there are different types of operators, so we will talk about all these binary operators, right? So So guys, these are the binary operators. Here we will discuss all these operators one by one. But in this video we will talk about two operators only, arithmetic and assignment operators. In the later videos we will talk about the rest of the binary operators, right? So what happens? Let us discuss first arithmetic operator. Okay, so guys, plus, minus, division, multiplication and modulus, these are the arithmetic operators. See here, this is not star, we have to pronounce it as an asterisk sign, right? So we all are aware about this plus, minus, division and multiplication operators, but this operator is called modulo division. Okay, सपोज इफ आई राइट 10 डिवाइड बाई 3, जैसे कि मैं 10 डिवाइड बाई 3 लिखती हूँ तो मुझे 3 क्वेश्चन मिलता है एंड 1 रिमाइंडर मिलता है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड क्वेश्चन एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड रिमाइंडर. ओके, सो व्हेन आई राइट 10 divided by 3, so I'll get 3 as an answer, and if I write 10 modulus 3, then I'll get रिमाइंडर एज ए आंसर. सो ये जो मॉड्यूलस ऑपरेटर है वो हमें रिमाइंडर एज ए रिजल्ट देता है. ओके, सो हियर फॉर मॉड्यूलस ऑपरेटर यू हैव टू रिमेंबर सम important points, and these points are you cannot use this you cannot use this modulo division with floating point data type. So can't use with float data type. ओके, तो जब भी आप अगर मॉड्यूलो डिवीजन का यूज करते हो एट दैट टाइम यू कैन नॉट यूज फ्लोट डेटा टाइप. इफ आई राइट फ्लोट a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3 and c, and if I write a modulus b, okay, and if I am printing this, okay, so whenever you compile this program at that time you will get one error, and that error will be illegal use of floating point data type. Okay, so whenever you use this modulus operator, don't use this float. This modulus operator goes with integer data type only. Okay, particularly in C language. Okay, so whenever you use this modulus operator, try to use integer data type only. Now there is another rule for this modulus operator is that if I write okay, here I have declared a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3 and c, and I have got and I have written this expression just to get the answer of this expression into c. So whenever I print this I will get 1 as the answer. Okay, but if I write minus 10. Okay, so what answer I will get? I will get minus 1. But if I write 10 and then minus 3, then I will get 1 as an answer only. So आपको क्या लगा, क्या हुआ यहाँ पे ये जो a मॉड्यूलस b है और मॉड्यूलस ऑपरेटर जो है वो क्या करता है, जब भी रिजल्ट देता है तो रिजल्ट का जो साइन होगा इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द फर्स्ट ऑपरेंड, राइट. whenever you write this expression where you are using modulus operator, जहाँ पे आप modulus operator के यूज़ करते हो, तो at that time when this expression is getting evaluated and you get the answer, so जो आंसर का मतलब रिजल्ट का जो साइन होगा इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द फर्स्ट ऑपरेंड. ठीक है. सो द सेकेंड पॉइंट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, the sign of result depends on first operand. Okay, so if first operand is positive then you will get positive answer, if it is negative then you will get negative answer, right. So if I write 10 and 10, so what answer I'll get? I'll get 0. This is just example. Okay, so this is all about modulus operator, and you all are aware about this plus, minus, division and multiplication, right. But there is one more important thing is precedence and associativity. ठीक है. नाउ प्रेसिडेंस एंड associativity किसको बोलते हैं? अगर मैं एक ही एक्सप्रेशन में मल्टीपल अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म करूं तो कौन सा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल परफॉर्म होगा, उसको बोलते हैं प्रेसिडेंस. ओके, और वो लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट होगा और राइट से इवेल्यूएट होना स्टार्ट होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एसोसिएटिविटी. इफ आई राइट ए प्लस डिवाइड बी इंटू डी, okay, so this expression I have written where I have used multiple symbols and multiple arithmetic operators. Okay, तो कौन सा एक्सप्रेशन जो है वो फर्स्ट परफॉर्म होगा, इट इज कॉल्ड प्रेसिडेंस. सो गाइज हियर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन एंड मॉड्यूलस उसकी सबसे ज़्यादा हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी है, एंड देन आफ्टर प्लस और माइनस की है, राइट. और एसोसिएटिविटी की बात करें तो ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है वो यहाँ से स्टार्ट नहीं होगा, दैट विल बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. ओके, so it will be evaluated from left to right, right. So whenever you are performing the evaluation of this expression, so what happen, first of all you have to check which operators this expression is using. So here consider this example. Here we are talking about associativity and precedence of arithmetic operators, right. I have used few of the arithmetic operators. So guys, so we will first of all consider the associativity कि एक्सप्रेशन लेफ्ट से इवेल्यूएट होगा या राइट से. सो फॉर द अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स द एक्सप्रेशन विल बी इवेल्यूएटेड फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. सो वी विल गो फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू दिस साइड. ओके, एज वेल एज आई टोल्ड यू द प्रेसिडेंस ऑफ द अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार, division, not star, it is multiplication, division and modulus is will be performed, and then after addition and minus will be performed. So we will check. So here we found b divided by d, so b is 2 divided by 1, so this will be performed first. So we will get 2 as an answer here. Now 2 into c is equal to 3 and a is equal to 10. Now but plus and multiplication, we have a higher precedence of multiplication, so this multiplication will be performed first. So 10 plus 6, so we will get answer 16. So here we will get 16 as an answer. Okay, और ये हमें थोड़ा बहुत पता है बिकॉज हमने स्कूलिंग में जब बोर्ड मास रूल पढ़ा था तो कुछ थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा ही था, राइट. नाउ वी विल सी असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर्स. Okay, and we will talk about this precedence and associativity for all the operators in detail in upcoming video. Okay, now assignment operator. See guys, is equal to is called assignment operator. Okay, so if I write a is equal to 5, so what happens, the value of 5 will be assigned to a. So at this side, left hand side, it should be one variable only. Okay, so you cannot write like this 5 is equal to a. This is wrong. Over here it should be the variable name. Now this assignment operator is also called the shorthand operator. Okay, right? And now what is this shorthand operator? If I want to write a is equal to a plus 1, okay, if I want to write a is equal to a minus 1, so instead of writing this variable a again, we can also write like this, a plus is equal to 1. We can also write a minus is equal to 1. Okay, so the same thing we can perform with division, multiplication and modulus. Okay, here this expression becomes short, and that is why it is also called shorthand operator. Now let us talk about the associativity of असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर. जो असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर है उसकी एसोसिएटिविटी है राइट टू लेफ्ट. ओके, अगर हम लिखते हैं ए इज इक्वल टू बी इज इक्वल टू सी इज इक्वल टू डी इज इक्वल टू 10. ओके, तो ये एक्सप्रेशन कैसे इवेल्युएट होगा, फ्रॉम दिस साइड राइट टू लेफ्ट. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ 10 will be assigned to D, then after this value will be assigned to C, then after this value will be assigned to B, and then after this value will be assigned to A. Okay, so the associativity of assignment operator is right to left, that you have to remember. Okay, and one more thing about shorthand operator is, here see in this expression we cannot use shorthand operator. Why? Because a is not here in this expression. In right hand side expression we have not used a, so here we cannot use shorthand operator. But instead of this expression, if I write a is equal to a plus c into 10, okay, so at that time instead of writing this a again, we can perform this using shorthand operator like a plus or is equal to c into 10. So this expression is equivalent to this expression, right? So this is about assignment operator. In the next video we will talk about a relational operator, right? So I hope you are able to get this assignment and arithmetic operator. It is pretty simple. Okay, take care guys, bye bye.